Island iced tea.
Go. What are you making?
So here we're doing the Big Island iced tea. This is Ohana's version of the Long Island iced tea.
All right.
We're gonna do a little rum, a little vodka, a little gin.
Damn, everything's in there.
Little triple sec. So you're gonna get all the booze of a regular Long Island iced tea. So we're gonna throw in a little passion orange guava, a little Sprite, and a little of our finest mango puree.
Nice.
Shake that up. Toss it on in to one of our world famous hurricane glasses.
Dirty Bob's.
And with that, you're gonna get the umbrella garnish. You got the cherries, the orange, and the finest umbrella.
Nice.
Served straight to you. Enjoy.
Thanks, Sammy. It's Thirsty Thursday at Ohana.
Thursday, motherfucker, what's up? What? Ooh.